Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC CU34G10XP 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor. So friend, AOC has unveiled the latest monitor, the CU34G10XP, a 34-inch ultra-wide display designed for enhanced visual experience. And this model is a resolution of 3440 into 1440 pixel with 21 gem 9 aspect ratio, utilize a VA panel which support 180 Hz refresh rate, and this monitor boasts a curvature of 1500R in providing a more impressive viewing experience. Additional specifications include a brightness level of 300 nits and static contrast ratio of 3000 Gem1 and response time of 1 millisecond, in which collectively contribute to smoother and cleaner image rendering. And it also supports 8-bit color depth, ensuring accurate color reproduction suitable for both gaming and professional application. In terms of connectivity and ergonomics, is equipped with multiple interface options including two HDMI 2.0 port, one DisplayPort 1.4, and this allow for versatile connectivity with various devices including gaming console, PC, and other multimedia sources. And this monitor stand offer comprehensive adjustability supporting tilt, lift, rotation, and pitch adjustment to accommodate different viewing process. Recommended to accommodate different viewing preference and ergonomic needs. So friend, it's comfortable with VESA 75 into 75 wall mounting. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.